Hi guys, so today we're gonna be doing a workout that has three parts. The first part is a time challenge, it's a strength training. Second part is an interval training, we're gonna be using our jump ropes. And the third part is a time challenge, again strength training. So this workout is not gonna be long, it should be really short but very intense. So I'm gonna go over each exercise, I'm gonna show you the proper form, and I'm gonna show you modifications for beginners. So the first part of this workout is a time challenge, and we're gonna be doing one jump forward, two jumps back, and dynamic push-up. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. You're gonna start with your feet wider apart, and then you're gonna make a long jump forward. You're gonna land into this half squat with your hips back and thighs parallel to the ground. Stay low, and then you're gonna do two jumps back. And then you're gonna get into the plank and you're gonna do the dynamic push-up. So you're gonna jump your feet back into the plank, and dynamic push-up is when you jump your feet apart and you bring your body close to the ground. So like this, then back up into the plank, jump your feet forward and stand up. And this was one rep, and your goal is to complete 30 reps as fast as you can. So now I'm going to show you some modifications for beginners. So beginners, you guys are going to jump forward, two jumps back. Now if you cannot jump into the plank, then step back and you can bring your knees on the ground and you can do the push-up from your knees. Get as close to the ground as you can, but if this is all you can do, that's fine too. The important thing is that you're moving and that you're trying. So step forward again and stand up. I just wanted to tell you guys that I have grandmas who are following my workouts. People who have been sedentary for years, and because they're trying these variations and modifications, they're actually able to complete these workouts and they're making progress. So really, if these people can do it, you can do it too. Even if you're a complete beginner, just try really hard and try these variations, and you'll see that you're making progress, that you're getting stronger and more flexible, and you're gonna really start enjoying working out on a regular basis. So now let's move on to the second part of this workout. So the second part of this workout is a high intensity interval training, and you're gonna need your jump rope. So we're going to be doing two exercises. The first one are high knees with jump rope, and it looks like this. So it's important that you're keeping your core tight, chest up, shoulders back and down, and then you're bringing your knees as high as you can, and you're landing softly on the balls of your feet. If you don't have the jump rope, don't worry about it, just do regular high knees without the jump rope. So I'm going to do high knees like this. The second exercise are jump rope jacks. So you're going to be doing high knees in one interval, and the second interval is going to be jump rope jacks. And the exercise looks like this. So it's just like jumping jacks, but you're gonna do it with your jump rope. If you don't have the jump rope, just do regular jumping jacks. So if you're a complete beginner and the high knees are too challenging for you, you can still do jogging in place, and you can try to bring your knees as high as you can. But if this is all you can do, that's fine too. You just have to be moving, and it has to feel intense for you. If jogging is too much, you can still do just marching in place, trying to bring your knees as high as you can, and go for maximum reps. So as long as it feels intense for you, you're on the right track. And it's the same thing for the jumping jacks. You know, if you cannot do the jumping jacks and jump your feet, wide like this, then just aim for mini jacks. Just do a little bounce and just try to bring your arms like this. So the important thing again is that you're moving, that you're trying, because as you're doing these workouts on a regular basis, you're gonna get stronger, you're gonna get more flexible, and you're gonna be soon doing these exercises the way I do that. So don't give up on this and try easy variations. So let's move on to the last part. So beginners, you guys have two choices. You can do either the easiest variation, which is this one. You're gonna lay on your side, you're gonna keep your hip on the ground, support yourself with your elbow, and you're gonna put the hand behind your head, and you're gonna do the crunch the way that you're gonna bring the upper leg towards your elbow, like this. So that's the easiest variation. Now you're gonna turn on your belly, and you're gonna try to lift off of the ground, supporting yourself with the elbows. And you're gonna try for the knee tucks. And put your belly back on the ground, then turn on the other side. Do again the crunch, and so on. So this is the easiest variation for beginners. Now the second level of the easy variation is this one. You're gonna lift your hip off of the ground, and you're gonna do the crunch with the bottom leg. So you're gonna bring the bottom leg towards your elbow. Now you're gonna turn over to the plank position, supporting yourself with your elbows again, and you're gonna do the two knee tucks, and so on. So these were the two easy variations for beginners. I hope you guys are gonna try this. And you know, I'm really supportive of beginners because I think it's really important that you start somewhere and that you don't get discouraged by any exercise, even though it looks really challenging, because you know, with these variations anyone can try these workouts, and you're making already so much progress when you get up off of your butt and start moving. Because beginners can do really fast progress because they have you know, so much space for improvement, so that you're as soon as you start moving, then you're gonna see the progress really fast. And you know, look at it like this: you've been sitting on your butt 2 seconds ago, and now you started to move. That's already a huge step forward. You should be already proud of yourself. So don't get discouraged by any exercise, by any workout. Try to really move on a regular basis, and you're gonna see that this new lifestyle is gonna really turn your life around completely. So the whole workout is gonna be explained on my blog, BodyRector.tv. There's a step-by-step guide, so that it's easy to follow, and pictures with descriptions. You guys can let me know how you did, if you managed to beat my time and my reps. I'm gonna post my personal best for this workout as always. And that's it, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, and we're gonna talk more about diet.